Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to stop someone from using your Netflix account. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, just log in with your account in your Netflix app or in your Netflix website. So once you do that, choose the profile that you used to visit the Netflix with. And once you are over here, what you need to do is just go to your top right corner and go to your account. Once you are in your account, you'll be having option which says devices on your left hand side. Go with it, then go to access and devices. So just choose who you want to stop using your Netflix account. So for me, let's say this particular person, let's say this one. So I just press on sign out and then they will not be able to use your account. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you stop. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.